Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is searching for. This case is behind the scenes. I've been trying to finish my searching here, and what I've been lacking is a underwater metal detector. Well, I decided to search on Facebook to see if I could find somebody that might be selling one, and sure enough I did. I've been watching for about a month or two. And the model that I got costs $200 on Amazon. So I waited for up for about 2 months, and I said, yeah, I'm getting down to that point where I need to go ahead and order it. I get make an offer on this one, or go ahead and buy a brand new one. I said, well, what the heck? I know a brand new one's going to have a warranty on it, but I said, well, if I offer this guy a certain amount and decides he'll take it, then I'll go ahead and get it from him. And I offered him twice, and he said yes. So here it is. And the gentleman's name is Gabby Gabel. You can find him on Facebook. He might have some other stuff up there. I gave him 100% selling evaluation. Let's see. Slide up. Come on. Okay, good. I don't need the rest. Take the rest of the part. We'll do the top, I guess. There we go. Let's see. Places I got from home. Bubble wrapped up, huh? Underwater headphones. We're going to be doing. You're going to see some videos. Definitely we'll be using this. Technically, anytime I go on the water, it'd be beneficial for me to have this close by. Using my Mustang as a wrench. That's the next project. I got to take the motor out of this. I got to put it in my wife's 96. This one here is getting a 4.6 put in it. The reason I'm doing that is her motor is burning oil at a rate of a quart every 300 miles. Okay, we have a set of underwater headphones. Oh, yeah, alright. It's working. Sensitivity disc. Alright. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. So, let's see. Stay there. Okay. We have our adjustment. Definitely don't want that. Alright, so this one, you've got your little eye bolts here, and face up towards you. It's going to go like so. It's going to go up through. And then screw into there. Alright. It's got to go up on that. Alright. We're going to go ahead and put this together. What you're going to do is you're going to compress that. These holes here have to line up with those holes there. Let's compress this so they're inside. Okay, now it's locked. Now that's locked up here like it's supposed to be, and now you have access to your holes. Now, take your transmitter, get your screws, line them up. No. There's that one. Go this one here. Line up that. And those will actually go inside there. There we go. Alright. Now we have the what we call the answers. Now take this puppy here. It ain't even scratched. But yet the shaft is scratched. Okay, so we're going to take that now. We're going to press those as well. And you get inside that. There we go. Okay, that's your full. Now we have full length. I'm going to do that. And of course this can be used on the surface as well. This is a surface unit as well. And then you're just going to use that, and that'll secure that, but it's already secured, so it's kind of secured in 3 ways. And you adjust it all the way up now. Just twist that a little bit. And you take it up as high as you want it. Because underwater you're going to want to take it up as high as you can. Now, this has got threads on it. I'm not sure why you'd want all that, but I want to do something to keep all this coil, all this wire under control. And you can just twist it out. Alright, there. I like that. So now we got the cable. Now your cable's under control. But you don't want that hanging out there when you're underwater. Holy cow. There's no telling what you'll grab. Alright. We'll be able to adjust that. Just tighten those down. And that's okay. Just have it flex where you need it. Got it. It's freaking loud. Squelch, disc sensitivity. I'm not sure what all that. Disc sensitivity. I'm not sure what all that is yet. And sensitivity. Picking up the. Let's go this way. Picking up the Mustang and all that. All the other little things. Sensitivity. It's definitely loud. And the headphones are attached. You can't take them off of it. I wonder how you. I don't think that doesn't appear to be a way to adjust your volume at this point. I'll have to figure that out. It's like the batteries go in here. I'm not sure what kind of batteries it takes. Let's see. It comes off. Okay. It is a 9-volt. Yep, single 9-volt. In there. This is good to 130 feet. Okay, tighten that right up so it's contoured, and then we'll go from there. And that is a not sure what all the rest of it is. I'll do an evaluation on that. So it takes care. I'll take care of that. It goes on your forearm, and then you're able to do what you need to do. Sounds like there's not much. There's nothing really to these. And it's interacted, so if you're searching on the surface, you're just going to be putting it on your shoulder, and then go from there. It's made to be loud because you're going to be under the water. You probably have a hood. If you don't have a hood, well, that's that. So. All right, there's a waterproof, and get an idea how it is. I'm not sure. Ooh, I got some coins on the floor, on the ground down here. Sounds like it gives a, it's steady until it finds something, and then it'll start the little light will start blinking, and I have intermittent. So I got a steady sound right now. I'm gonna put my ring underneath it, and now it's giving that little noise there. So there you go. Got like a 6-inch difference. All right. Isn't really a brand. I can't remember what the brand name of it is. Hold on. Let me see if I can figure it out. Let's see if I can look up the brand name on it, but you can find it right on Amazon. Okay, here we are. This is the metal detector right here. But this is that one. So let's see. Adjustable sensitivity. Performance discrimination on that side, and you got audible alarm and visual flashing light. So, there we go. It's good to SuperEye is the brand, black. Batteries required, no. Material metal, battery powered. Yeah. Again, it's good to 40 meters, 130 feet. Treasure hunting, onshore or offshore. Running time about 20 hours. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. And thank you, Gabby, for getting this to me. This is the unboxing and putting together of the SuperEye underwater metal detector. You catch me on more of Searching For.